In the heart of America, in a small town surrounded by vast fields, lived a man named Jack. Jack was an ordinary man with extraordinary dreams. He aspired to be a renowned artist, capturing the beauty of the world on canvas. However, his life was bound by the realities of a 9-to-5 job at a local factory, where he worked tirelessly to support his family. From a young age, Jack had a passion for painting. He spent countless hours sketching in notebooks, using whatever materials he could find. His walls were adorned with his artwork, each piece reflecting a fragment of his soul. But as he grew older, the responsibilities of adulthood weighed heavily on him. The dream of becoming an artist began to fade, buried under bills and the demands of everyday life. One evening, after a long day at work, Jack attended an art exhibit in a nearby city. As he wandered through the gallery, he was captivated by the vibrant colors and emotions expressed in the paintings. He felt a spark reignite within him. That night, he made a promise to himself. He would pursue his dream, no matter the cost. Determined to make his dream a reality, Jack began to allocate his time differently. He woke up an hour earlier each day to paint before heading to the factory. He sacrificed weekends that were once spent with family to attend art classes and workshops. The time he spent creating art was stolen from sleep and leisure, but Jack felt alive for the first time in years. However, this choice came with a price. His family felt his absence. His wife, Sarah, struggled to manage the household alone, while his children missed their father's presence. Jack faced guilt as he balanced his dreams with his responsibilities. He often questioned if he was being selfish for pursuing art. As months turned into years, Jack faced numerous rejections from galleries and competitions. Each no felt like a nail in his dream. Financial strain began to take a toll on his family. There were nights when they had to skip meals, and Jack could see the worry etched on Sarah's face. Yet, despite the hardships, he refused to give up. One night, after a particularly discouraging day, Jack sat in front of his easel, frustration boiling over. As he stared at the blank canvas, he realized that his journey was not just about achieving fame as an artist. It was about expressing himself and finding joy in the process. That revelation reignited his passion. With renewed determination, Jack poured his heart into his art. He began exploring new styles and techniques, allowing his emotions to guide him. Slowly, his work began to evolve, resonating with those who viewed it. One day, a local gallery owner stumbled upon Jack's paintings during an open studio event. Impressed by the raw emotion in his work, she offered him a chance to exhibit. The opening night was electric. Friends, family, and art enthusiasts gathered to celebrate Jack's journey. As people admired his paintings, Jack felt a sense of validation. His sacrifices were beginning to bear fruit. Despite his success, Jack understood that the cost of his dreams was not just measured in time or money. It was in the moments he had missed with his family, the sacrifices they had made, and the emotional toll it had taken on them all. He knew he had to find a balance. Jack made a promise to his family. He would continue to pursue his passion, but he would also be present in their lives. He began to involve his children in his art, teaching them to express themselves through creativity. Family painting nights became a cherished tradition, fostering connection and understanding. Jack's journey taught him that the cost of dreams is often steep, but the rewards can be profound. He learned that pursuing a passion does not mean neglecting those we love. True fulfillment comes from finding harmony between our aspirations and our responsibilities. In the end, Jack became not just an artist, but a father and husband who shared his dreams with his family, creating a legacy that was richer than any canvas could hold.